All right, all right, all right. 12:03, 12:03. Uh, so a little halftime action. Futures heavy, 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 heavy on the SPY. SPY went up, made the high of the week. Now it's only Tuesday, but it did make the high of the week there. So we'll see if that can be if we can revisit that again. We'll see. Look at this big outside day we got going on here on the S&P 500 right now. All right, so SPY sitting heavy with the outsider, two down. All right, 2-3 down, keeping the pressure down here now. All right, so I got the SPY down up just 0.6%. I mean, we're not even close to down 1%, but SPY's down $3.86, $3.92 right now. So a little bit lower here, and no relief really, no relief. I haven't seen anybody try to turn things around yet. So, but our 60s are right here, right? So you got the 3-2-2-2 back down. We'll see if we get some exhaustion risk on the downside here. Again, we're down a very small percentage, but just enough to make the charts look a little spooky. All right, and triple Qs, same situation here. We do not have the outsider. We couldn't make that higher high, so this is just a two down on the day. So we're down here $7.67, which we are down 1.33%, still down. So still in the big scheme of things, it's not too much. All right. But again, when you're looking at these charts, it could be misleading. So, pay attention to that. All right. So Qs, there you go. And then you got the diamonds, same way. Diamonds had a really, really great start. Gave up the whole thing. Now sitting on the lows of the day. We finally got to the number we were looking for. And we stayed there for about 5 minutes. And the party was over. Okay. So there you go. Back down, back down, back down. All right. So a little bit of downward pressure here on the markets this morning. And where's it coming from? I got my thoughts, and when I took it to Qs, I got to look at PLTR, right? So PLTR was a pretty big miss here, down $15 here. All right, so down almost 9% on the day. So I think a lot of this is about your Qs right here and your S&P 500. It's a big part of it right here, okay? So Palantir with the 2-2 down on the heavy week, all right? So staying down on that guy, all right? So we got Palantir, and then we got Home Depot, which were lower on the overnight. They were down to 370. They jacked them up going into the opening, and she ended up going all the way back up to 414 now. So she's still holding pretty good here at 406 and change. All right, 406.35 right now. All right, so we'll see. We'll see. There you go, 2-2 up on your Home Depot. That one's holding up all right. All right, what else we got? XRT goes shooter down on the day now after making the yearly high. All right, so we made the year high here today at 85.37. All right, so and then we backed off pretty good on the daily. All right, so back inside on your XRT retail. We know we got TJ Maxx reporting. We know we got Walmart reporting. And we got some other retail names that are going to be coming out in the next few days. So sit tight. All right, market's just regurgitating a little bit here, and then the Mag 7, has really kind of turned around a lot too. So Microsoft has already been 322 down on the day. So Microsoft's already been trending down. It got the 313 breakdown. Okay. Now, as I look at it right now on 60s, Microsoft is trying to come back inside right now. You got a 1-1. So you got a couple of actionable signals in there. It's 12:08. You got 22 minutes to the bottom of the hour. See if Microsoft can start to firm this up a little bit. I'm watching over here on 15s. They got hours and 15s. So it ran up a little bit here at 510.84. Now comes back inside. All right, so 2112 back down on your week on your Microsoft. Meta's got the same problem. Meta 22 down on the week. You see that? You see the shooter coming back down from the highs of ever on your on Meta. All right, 22 down today. So, and you know it's that whole thing. Amazon is holding up pretty well. I just think I think it's going to be very hard for them to break this week. Okay, so you're inside, and we're kind of trapped in here, to be honest. And you're just 2-2 down on day. So Amazon, did not go with the rally on the way up, and won't go down with the sell-off going down. All right, so that's exactly what Amazon's been doing there. Tesla, we almost were able to get that day. Oh, we did it. I called this one this morning on your Tesla. She went up and took out the highs, took out the lows here now, so we are 3 on the day. All right, I'm looking for this thing to come back into this area down here. Okay, you might get some good support around 303. She's going to play games with you around 318. She's going to trick you into buying it, and you're going to end up losing money on it. Wait till it comes back down to at least down here, 307. Okay, this is a nice turnaround coming here. So Tesla, you got the week down now. You're going to have 2 week on down. All right, stay. I'd say that you can. I'd say if you're shorting it, look for some kind of rally that can get you in. I don't think this is where you want to get in right here, but I think definitely Tesla back down to at least this area here. That's my call there. All right, this was a nice one there today. So Tesla, garbage. Google, garbage. Same situation here now. 312 down on the day. All right, so trying to taking some profits, and waiting for something to happen with the market, and we know that what that is, and we've been talking about that. So we still got time before that. September 17th will be that day. All right, so Tesla, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta, and NVIDIA, 2 down on the week as well. All right, so with all of these down and this Palantir leading the charge down, markets are going to be struggling to even get back up on all sectors right now, okay? So the diamond, I would think the diamonds would be able to fight back, but they're struggling too now. There's a lot of that. Healthcare is holding up pretty well, I must say. And your XRT retail is very strong. It's up near the high of the year. All right, so we'll see what happens. The VIX finally started to wake up just a tad. He's still sleeping for the most part. That bear's really not showing his head yet. But you start to get up through here, through 16, 17 bucks, then it might get a little dicier. But for right now, sitting where she is right now at 15, I don't think she's that much of a problem. But we'll see what happens. Got that doji on the week now inside. It's kind of flimsy. So see what happens there. This NXST, I'm going to go through those ones we had this morning. NXST gave up the whole day. Look at this one. All right, boom. Got up to 223.36, gave up the whole day back downside. All right, so NXST, that's a wonderful puker there from the highs. All right, and then we look at TGNA is holding up really well. All right, TGNA is having a good day. All right, so it's kind of starting to give back in a little bit. It's got the 2 up on the week though, so hanging in there. Had the gapper up today. All right, Intel, got $2 billion, and the stock goes down. It's still up 6.5%. A lot of that is because of the gap, but this thing is giving up a lot from the highs here, right? It was up to 26.55, now trading back at 25.20, coming all the way back down on your Intel. All right, so under pressure. Market's a little under pressure here. All right, so Intel. What else did we have in there this morning? Workday, WDAY, giving it up as well, coming back down here. The week's still good, all right, and the month is still good, but we'll wait and see. This thing kind of gave it up to, we was up to 234.87. All right, it's broken back down to $229.58. Palo Alto still holding up pretty good, PANW, but it has been giving it up again as well. All right, we tried to get that rapid 7, but nothing ever moved on it, and now she's backed off, so couldn't even get the 2. So there you go, got that move. Jenny's even breaking down here a little bit here, down to 1270 now. She bumped up there, back up to 1284, but now she's coming back in. So everybody kind of cooling the jets coming in. All right, we'll finish it up with Walmart here. Walmart's holding up pretty well. It's inside. It's 1-1 on the week. It's going to report tomorrow. Okay, TJ Maxx is going to report today after the close, so we'll see what TJ Maxx can bring. So TJ Maxx, where we at, holding up, highs everywhere. All right, looking good. You're a little choppier here on the 15s, but you got an actionable signal inside, might get you back up there. All right, so TJ Maxx looks good. Let's see if I think Target and Walmart could be a little bit of dicey. And we'll see what happens. I can't say. RBLX, it keeps coming back inside, so still be patient with this one. It's going to get back up, but you're going to have to be patient with it. It's probably going to triangle out again, like I said this morning. And that's what's happening. My Salesforce made a really nice move today, and then the Qs just decided to crush everything here. So there's your day now. Got up to 248.70 and puked it all out. All right, the week is still intact. All right, but what we're going through right now, we're going to have to wait and see how this. So if the tech stocks come down, then a lot of guys are going to follow in that suit. All right, so we'll see what groups get together with the diamonds to see if we can recover. But as right now, we'll see. What I'd like to see is before the end of the day, things turn around and get a little bit better and show some muscle coming back to the end of the day, as that's what I'll be looking for. It's been chopping since that Q's broke. The volume really dropped off, and there hasn't been much to do. All right, so it's just been chopping away. So I'm going to leave it at that, and we'll see. I won't give you anything by the end of the day today, but we'll be back at it in the morning. All right, so be good.